How's it going, man? How you doing?
Man, I mean, handling stress,
Yeah.
restructuring some things. The one thing, right, to where, again, like I paid people a lot of money to tell me what to do in my life as far as like where I want to go.
Mm-hmm.
And like the number one thing that's holding me back right now, believe it or not, is my ego. Even though it's like the biggest reason of where I am.
Yeah.
Number one thing holding me back is my ego. To where I'm sitting there talking to him. I'm like, well, this fucker, and this fucker are doing it. Fuck them. I'm better. I can do it.
Yeah.
He's like, bro, like, so their business acumen, and not even business acumen. He's like, they've been in business like 5 times longer than you, 2 times longer than you, like 4 times longer than you. Like, he's like naming off the years of business.
Yeah.
I was like, I don't give a fuck. I was like, I'm Stratton Brown. Yeah. Like, and that's the mentality that's gotten me to where I am. Towards like, it doesn't serve you.
Yeah.
It's like, it doesn't, he's like, you're being irrational. Right? Like I said, most of these calls are like, tell me not to be a psychopath.
Well, so, and that's kind of the discussion that we had, right? We talked about like a lot of our gifts sometimes and what makes us successful can also be the reason why we're not successful. And so you paying a coach, and a phenomenal coach, right? Like you've paid someone who has tremendous experience, who has made a lot of money, who's lost a lot of money, plenty of businesses that either worked or didn't work. And so like you've grown to where you were because of great, kind of crazy, right? Right? You're kind of crazy. But you've also, at that point, you've grown to the part to where you've paid someone to be able to help you make great decisions based off of their experience. So when they tell you to just
do something,
fuck your ego, right? That's what you paid to have this person tell you exactly what they just told you.
Right. And on most of the things he's told me lately, it's like been a massive pushback. Mm-hmm. And like from me, not from him, from me, like a massive pushback from Stratton Brown.
Yeah.
And like I'll go like a month at a time without talking to this guy. But then when I need to talk to him, like this is when it's amazing, and he fucking challenges all of your beliefs of what are you doing? And the number one thing he asked me was like, what do I want? And then again, I was dumbfounded. Mm-hmm. Like, I want to be the fucking best. I want to bury everybody. He was like, bro, it's not good enough. You know how broad that is?
No, broad. Yeah.
He was like, you know how broad? Like, so what does it look like? What's with you? What does your life look like? Like, what do you actually want? And that has been something that has been troubling me and puzzling me for the last like week or so.
Yeah.
To where like you really don't know what you want. Like I like what I do. I like building businesses. I like building teams. I like sales. I like marketing. Mm-hmm. And I love Legos and I love Minecraft. If that puts anything into context for you, right? Like that's what I like to do. Okay. But it's been, I'd say, one of the biggest mental barriers I've had to overcome again. Now is like, okay, so you say you want X amount of money, but like, yeah, that's cool. But like, what does it look like? How are you going to get there? Like all of those other good things to where that is kind of wild to think about.
Yeah.